Hi guys, welcome back to MathFeed. In this video, we'll learn about exponents. Exponents are written in the form of a power m. In computers or in calculators, it is also written as a power m. Power is denoted by this reverse V symbol. Okay, here a is base, called as base because it is down base, and m is called power. So in exponents there are some rules like a power m into a power n becomes a power m plus n. These powers, since bases are same, powers get added, and a power m whole power n becomes a power mn. Similarly, a power n whole power m becomes a power mn, like this we have. So while we are solving, we'll discuss more about this. Let us move to the first problem. 2 power x equals to 128. Let us solve for x. 2 power x equals to 128. So let's first prime factorize this 128. 264s 128, 230 264, 216s 32, 2 8 16, 2 4s 2 2s, 2 1s. So 128 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 7 times. 2 to 2 to 2 to 2. Yeah, 7 times. As I have mentioned before, a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n, right? So let us consider this as a. Power is 1 here. 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 becomes 2 power 1 plus 1, which is 2 square. So similarly, again 2 square into 2 power 1 becomes 2 cube. So this becomes 2 cube. If you notice, the power becomes the number of occurrences of 2. So here the occurrences are 8. So the final value becomes 2 power 7. So now let us find the value of x. 2 power x equals to 128 can be written as 2 power 7. Since both bases are equal, there is a rule called power should be equal. X equal to 7. Now let us solve next problem. 3 power x minus 1 equals to 81. So again let us prime factorize. It is not divisible by 2. Let's see by 3. Yeah, it is divisible. 3 27s 81. 3 nines, 3 threes, 3 ones are 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 81. So as I mentioned before, we have 4 occurrences of 3. So it can be written as 3 power 4. Or in long format, 3 power 1 into 3 power 1 becomes 3 square into 3 into 3. These both becomes 3 square into 3 square, which becomes 3 power 4. So 3 power x minus, oh sorry, 3 power x minus 1 becomes 3 power 4. Bases are equal, so power should be also equal. If we can, if we eliminate this one by adding 1 on both sides, it becomes 5. X equal to 5. So now let us move to the third problem. 5 power y equals to 1 by 25. Now how to do this? Any idea? Okay, let us see. In exponents, there is another property called uh, see. Previously, we discussed the powers as positive, right? 1, 4, and 7. All are positive, right? What if the powers are negative? How then? What will it become? Let's say a power minus 1. How can we write this? We can write this as 1 by a power 1, a power m, right? So let us see. Okay, 25. Let us prime factor is 25. It is divisible by 5. 5 into 5. It is 5 square. 1 by 5 square. 1 by 5 square. If you see this, 1 by 5 square is in the form of this 1 by a power m, which implies 5 power minus 2. If we convert it to a power minus m, this is a, this is m, becomes 5 power minus 2. 5 power y equals to 5 power minus 2. Since bases are equal, power should be also equal. Y equals to minus 2. Thank you.